This is a 2021 Cadillac XT5. We're looking at the front bumper guard. This is the passenger side. We're using an extension to extend out the long bracket from the bar. And now we also have the main bracket over here as well too. It uses one main bolt from the factory vehicle to secure the bracket kit that we have. And this is strong enough. And we also have this on the driver's side, which is the same concept, so both sides reflects. You would have to remove the undershield skid plate to access the chassis frame and look for this main bolt that we'll use for this installation. After that, we would put on the undercarriage skid shield and that will complete the installation.